Hello, Kelly with System of a Dog here. Today, in this video, I'm just walking and hiking with the dogs as usual. And I just wanted to let you know that anything I mention in this video about plants and food that you could potentially eat, please don't take my word for it. Do your own research. I feel confident in my ability to see the plants and know which ones I'm picking, but I don't want you to take my word for it. So just do your own research, stay safe, and have fun out there. Thanks, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This is Kelly from System of a Dog. Hello. We're out here, and I just thought I'd mention a couple things about plants. Yes, this has nothing to do with dog training, but I do have a passion for plants. So, if you look here, this plant is called salmonberry, and you can actually eat these. They're really good. Almost tastes like candy. And then if you look over here, maybe back this way actually. This is thistle. And thistle, everyone thinks thistle is a weed, and it is. But you can see the bees like them. But you can actually pick them, like if you were desperate. You can pick them and eat the root. So the part that goes in the ground is actually not prickly, and it tastes pretty good. I've had it before. We've also seen some trailing blackberry out here. Not in this section, but I'll take a little video in a bit. Here's another, this is thistle right here. Happy hiking, everyone. So you can see there's lots of Pacific trailing blackberries out here. Those are red, which means they're not ripe yet, obviously. And they are ripe. They'll be dark, just like a normal blackberry. See, this one's darkening up. These are edible, and they are native to Oregon, Pacific Northwest. They're a little smaller than your normal blackberry, but they're very delicious. Again, here's some more trailing blackberry. You can see it's trailing all around. There's a nice berry that almost looks ripe. We have here wild raspberry. This plant looks a lot like Pacific trailing blackberry, but it grows upward. You can see some berries forming there. Some over there that are more ripe. So again, another food source. You can see here some more Pacific trailing blackberry, trailing all around on the ground everywhere. And then this little guy is a short Oregon grape. There's tall versions of them too, and they produce fruit that you can eat. Some more trailing blackberry. This is Himalayan blackberry. It is not native, but you can eat the berries off of it. You can see they look a little different than the Pacific trailing blackberry. This doesn't have any berries on it yet. It's probably too young of a plant. we have here horsetail. And horsetail likes to grow where there's water, usually. There's a huge slough of it right here. There's no water nearby. But there must be water kind of in the soil, enough of it. So if you're ever like really in need of water, you can actually pick a horsetail and break up all the stalk. And only a little bit of water come out, but you can drink it. The horsetail is not toxic. So it is a way to get some water. It's not a lot. And you'd want to kind of strip all the needles off and really squeeze the stalk. But it is another thing that you can utilize. You probably could even eat it. Dog sure think so, huh? See you there. We also have here salal. Salal is also edible. You can see the little white right there. They're not ripe yet. When they're ripe, they are dark purple. So they're more of a later summer fruit. There's tons of it in this forest as well. So, yet another food source. And this is called woodland sorrel. It's different than regular clover. It only grows like in the forest. And they're really big leaves. You can eat these as well. The leaves taste like green apple skin. There's lots of it in there. I'm just eating a leaf right now. Tastes like a fresh green apple skin. As you can see up there, all of that is all that broadleaf is salmonberry. And you can see it's like everywhere, all along this wall. All a bunch of ripe berries. So if you're ever starving, there's food.